Okay, all right, good job. Take the girl out of the circle. We got you. That's your crowd right there. You hear that? You applause. Why? Why are you getting lucky now? That's not for you to do it. You gotta wait until we ask you.
Look at her ears. She's got 4 ears.
This.
What is it? Scratching its feet. Oh.
Give yourself a pedicure there.